Hi everyone, today we're going to do Module 4, Whole Number Multiplication, Lesson 2. So turn to page 9 so you can take notes, follow along and take notes. So as a reminder, we're learning about multiplication. Remember, we've done a lot of addition, so multiplication is like repeated addition. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15, or 3 groups of 5. 5 times 3 is the same as 15. Another word is the product. The product is like the answer to a multiplication problem. So 2 times 4, those are the factors, equals 8, that's the product. So if a question asks you what is the product of something, that means that they want you to multiply. So here are some more examples of factors. So 1 times 24 is 24. 2 times 24 is 12 is 24. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. So all of these are factors of 24. 1 goes with 24, 2 goes with 12, 3 goes with 8, 4 goes with 6. So that is the list of factors for 24. Here's another way to look at it, the factors of 20. You can make a little factor rainbow, so it helps you kind of connect the factors. So we know 4 times 5 is 20, 2 times 10 is 20, 1 times 20 is 20, and those are the factors. So then you can see the list. So if we look here, we have the rectangular arrays like we talked about in the last lesson. It says 3 groups of 4 circles. So there's 1, 2, 3 groups, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 circles in each one. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, repeated addition. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12. The next one is 3 times 4. So same thing, is 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. Here we can see we have 2 groups of 5. There's 2 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each one. 2 times 5 is 10, which is 5 plus 5, and that is 10. And then this example, this array is 4 groups of 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles in each. So we would count 5, 10, 15, 20. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 5 is 20. And there it is. So this says that multiplying is adding equal groups to find a total. What is the total number of stars? So we can see we have 1, 2, 3 groups, and then in each group there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars. So you would have 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6 is 18. So we know that's 18. There are 3 groups, 6 stars in each group, so the product or the answer is 18. So there are 18 stars total. Find each product. So 3 groups of 5. So if we have 3 times 5, 3 groups of 5, 5 plus 5 plus 5, 5, 10, 15. Skip count to get that. Now we have 4 groups of 6. We do 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6 is 18, plus 6 is 24. And then here we have 5 groups of 7. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. And then if we skip count those, we have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So 5 times 7 is 35. So when you're starting out with multiplication, you're going to have to do a lot of counting and drawing pictures and adding to help find the product. So again, using repeated addition, using symbols, multiply 4 times 3. 4 groups, it says of 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 12. You're going to add the second factor, the number of times given by the first one. So 4 groups of 3 is what this means. So 4 times 3 is 12. The product is 12. So on your own, right now you are going to complete page 11. Good luck.